What's going on, guys? Today, pretty much just gonna be cleaning up the shop a bit and changing some shit around.
This thing here, obviously still gonna be getting done, but for now, I'm gonna be taking this to my parents' house.
And currently, the other Safira that I have that you guys know about is there, and we're gonna be bringing that here. And the reason for that is I've been trying to figure out what I want to do with it. Found a couple of different ideas on here. But pretty much I need money and I don't need a third project car. I don't want a third project car, and even if I did, I don't really want it to be another Safira. So I've thought about selling it, and I've basically figured out what I'm gonna do with it. I'm just gonna part it out. Probably gonna get the most money that way. Obviously it's a little bit more work involved. We're gonna strip it at a later date, so it won't be in this video.
What we're also gonna be doing is basically cleaning up the whole shop, moving those shelves up here. And obviously, since this is going, that wall's going to be free, which we're going to be looking at building workbenches there. That thing is going to go hard against that side there, and the other Safira is going to go somewhat where this is on jack stands. Obviously, we're going to have a bit of room on that side to work on it since those shelves aren't going to be there.
A couple of you guys have asked a few questions about Mace's truck, which I showed, not sure in the last video or maybe the video before that.
This is his truck. You already know, it's a Suzuki Samurai 410, I think, something like that. So this is the motor. It's carbureted. It's a 4K, I'm pretty sure. Pretty basic. It definitely does what it needs to do. This truck goes pretty good. Pretty rusted in a lot of places, but it's never gonna see the road again, so it doesn't matter too much. Obviously it's got a snorkel here. It's been lifted, I think, I'm pretty sure. Maybe not, fuck knows. Yeah, interior is pretty basic. That roof is probably the best looking roof I've ever seen. Oh look, you can even see outside. Yeah, this car's definitely got quite a bit of rust on it. Truck, I should say. And this isn't even for it. This is for a different model, and this is supposed to go up like that. Yeah, it's been cut and made to fit. I'm gonna get stuck into cleaning up the Safira so we can get ready to tow it. Engine bay is just full of shit. Just chuck a bunch of crap in there just to keep it out of the way. There's shit on top of it. So clean this up. Also got to change the front wheel. It's dead, and the other front one I've got to take as well, because the one's on the other side is the last front wheel for this set, which is going on that car. Alright, seem to having a little bit of an issue with getting the A-frame on the Safira. It's just a bit too narrow, so I'm just going to take the grinder and grind a little bit of an edge on each side just so we can bash it up. Made it here to my house. Safira's sitting here. It is looking pretty sad at the moment. This thing, definitely some cool shit coming, but for now, it's put on hold. Got my loom here, about to head back to the workshop. Alright, what's happening, guys? Next day, finished up yesterday. Didn't film too much, but got the Safira sitting here now. So this is where it's going to be sitting until we part it out. It's going to get jacked up, put on jack stands, going to drop all the subframes and stuff out of it. Since we moved the shelving from there, we've now got plenty of space down this side to work. And if obviously we want to work on that side, it's easy just to roll Mace's truck forward. But my mission today is to clean up this workshop. Obviously we moved the racking from over on the wall there, so we're now going to move it over here. Obviously just got to move my Sylvia bonnet. This is actually a half cage for an S14. It's my uncle's, it's just storing it here, so I'm probably going to chuck that up there. And then this little workbench here, I'm probably going to put over in the back corner there behind Mace's truck. This gives you an idea of just how short Mace's truck actually is. So at the front here, it comes out further, but then you come to the back, the truck ends obviously about here, and then the Safira keeps going. Right, enough of my bullshit. I'm gonna chuck this camera up there, and I'll film a bit of a time lapse of this. Reasonably quick filming this because my phone's about to die, but pretty much finished up now. Move the cupboards over to here. got the bin in the corner, it's obviously all parts and shit. I'm gonna start putting like power tools and stuff in cupboards like that. And then I've got a whole lot of stuff sort of neatly along this wall. All of this stuff is actually still gonna be staying here when we build the bench tops, because we're gonna build the bench tops, so obviously about, I don't know, yay high. And then have all this stuff sort of sitting under it. Gonna have the motor and gearbox and stuff that's over in that corner under it as well, but we're gonna have to move it out to be able to build the bench anyway, so there's no point in moving that stuff over. Decided to put this here for now at least, just so I've still got a workbench until we get the proper one built. But I kind of like how this lines up at the stairs there and gives a bit extra room to be able to pull this out, because the workbench is gonna probably come out to about here. So might actually just leave this there and have the workbench starting from there and going all the way to the end there. So I got my gearbox cross member here back from Robbie. So obviously this is the one that you saw me make up a couple videos ago that I just tack welded. So Robbie went through and welded it up. Added these supports here just to tie it in to give it a bit more strength. It's ugly, but yeah, it'll definitely do the job. So
alright guys, cheers for watching. Sorry for the last couple of videos being a bit boring, but haven't been able to do too much. Should be getting back into the swing of things soon. I'm feeling a lot better, feeling a lot recovered from the surgery. But yeah, went out last night. Some mates went and did some forward driving. So got some clips of that, so I'll chuck them in at the end of the video. But yeah, cheers for watching, and hopefully we should be getting close to starting the Sylvia soon. So catch you next time.
Skids in the Hilux. There's no issue coming up next anyway. Wrong way, bro! Right, out here full driving, got the barbecue set up good. Got the old export gold.